Yeah, so some other times you might want to enter the train as well. So this is how where the train station is. So you basically have to wait for the train to come. Depends on where you are. It's quite very beautiful and amazing. It's underground, so um going to be entering Century Park now, so it's due. So hopefully the train should be here in not about a minute or so. I just have to wait for it, and then you enter the train. So the train is coming now, so you just have to wait a little bit for the train to come, and then when the train comes you just have to that you want to enter. So just press this, then
University Station.
all right, okay. Yeah, it's a very beautiful. It's a very beautiful, scene. And once you, yeah, so once you get out the train, you can decide to go up. Depends. I'm actually going to the University of Alberta now, so walk up. This is still kind of underground. Then you just have to walk up. It's pretty far, far up there. So you have to kind of, walk up. All right. So going down from the first floor. So now we have to walk all the way to the next staircase. So it depends on where you're going to. So it shows you the street, and if you want to get a ticket, you can also get a ticket here. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Very beautiful and awesome. And then you have to walk all the way. This is actually like the third staircase that we are walking up today. It's down there. So this is actually the university station. Once you get here, you get outside, now we are at University of Alberta.